recently sewed myself a skirt and I realized I needed some shorts to wear underneath in case there's any wind or anything like that. So I decided to make them myself because I thought it would be kind of easy. So I have these shorts that are a pretty good size for me, but they're a fold over waistband, which is something I really don't like. So I've decided to copy them for the pattern. I'm just laying them out on some paper and tracing out the shape. Now I'm going to cut my fabric. I bought a lot of this black stretchy fabric because I wanted to make at least a couple of pair of shorts so I can wash them and stuff like that. The first bit of sewing I'm doing is doing a zigzag stitch all around each piece so that the edge is really neat. I realize I should have probably done this after having sewn them so that the edges are sort of stitched together, but it's okay. I'll know for next time. Next, I am sewing the two front pieces together, and then I'll do the two back pieces. After this, I carefully align the edges of the front and the back piece and I pin and stitch them together. And I do the same with the little part between the legs. I've tried on the shorts off camera and since I liked the size of them, I'm folding and sewing the waistband to make it look clean. I do the same thing with the legs. Now it's time to make the shorts a little special by adding a really nice frilly lace trim. I bought it on AliExpress because I had bought some lace trim from the fabric store, but it was really expensive and with my current sewing skills I would not feel very comfortable spending so much money on something I might not even be able to use correctly. So I bought this cute cheap trim to try it out. It definitely feels cheaper than the one from the fabric store, but also it was cheaper in price, so that makes sense. As you can see, I'm really stretching both the trim and the shorts, and that was maybe not the best idea. You will see why in a second. So this is our result that my camera is not really picking up on, unfortunately, because it's all black against a white background, but I hope you can still see kind of what it is. So the issue with me stretching the trim as I was sewing is that now when I wear the shorts, the lace will be all stretched out, so it will lay flat instead of looking like a ruffle. So the next pair I'll try to make it a little longer and to keep the ruffle effect. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this little video and I hope to see you next time.